Hello students, how are you? This is your DV Singh from St. Andrews School. We hope you are staying home and staying safe. For the meantime, till the schools are not allowed to open, we will study through videos. Today we will study English, and in that we will cover writing section, letter writing. So take out your pen and paper and start making some points, because in the end of this video I will ask you some questions and will give you some small assignments. Let's start now. Letter writing. Our topic is letter writing. Dear students, letter are of two types. First one is, we can divide the letter writing into two types. First one is formal letters, and the second one is informal letters. Formal letters and informal letters. Dear students, informal letters we are writing to our relatives and friends. Informal letters we are writing to our friends and relatives. And on the other hand, formal letters we are writing to government office, government officials, principal, to the editor, etc. Students, writing formal letter and informal letters, there are some format of writing the letter. We will discuss both the formats of writing the letters. So two types of letters are there. So let's start with informal letters first. Okay. Informal letters the letters we are writing to relatives and friends. Students, informal letters are the letters which we are writing to our relatives and friends. There is some small format for this. Like, first of all, we should cover from address, and second one is, we will write date, then salutation, and fourth one is body of letter, and fifth one is subscription. Informal letters we are writing to relatives and friends. From address, second one is date, third one is salutation, fourth one is body of the letter, and subscription. And students, you are must wondering what is this. So let's see example. Suppose you are writing a letter to your father and you are staying in hostel. So from address means where you are staying. Like suppose you are staying in St. Andrews School, Ramganga, Bareilly, along with pin code 243001. Pin code is very important, student. So we'll cover this first. From address, like St. Andrews School, Ramganga, Bareilly, and write your name here like XYZ. Okay. Now date you have to mention this, like 15th April 2020. This is second. And third one is salutation. Salutation means dear father, mother, or your friend like dear Amit, anybody else. Okay, now body of the letter. Body means you have to write about the letters what you are writing. I'm fine, I'm staying home, I'm fine here. Okay, all this what you have to content. Body means content, what content you want to write, you have to cover content in this. Now last one is subscription. Subscription means your lovingly, your lovingly etc. Okay, you can write your lovingly, your loving son. Okay, your loving son, your loving friend. So this is the format of informal letter. Now students, we will move to second part of letter, that is formal letters. It is very important. Just write down this pouches, just take screenshot and write this format in your notebook. Okay, now move to formal letters. Okay friends, now second part is letters divided into two parts, formal letters and informal letters. We have earlier now discussed formal letters. Now we are going to discuss formal letters. Formal letters, as I earlier, the letters which we are writing to, letters writing to government officials, editor, okay, applications to the principal, etc. As for informal letters, there is some format is there, and same some format for formal letters are also there. So first one is you will write from address, and second one is date, third to address, fourth one is salutation, fifth one is body, and sixth one is subscription. Okay, so this is the format of student, this is the format of formal letters. Now to understand the things better, I will set up some example to you. Okay, now from address, like suppose you are XYZ from Bareilly. This is your address XYZ from Bareilly, and this is from address. Okay, now date in the same manner, like 15th March 2020. Okay, this is date, you have to write in this form. And third one is to address. To address means like to the editor, Hindustan Times. Okay, Hindustan Times. To the editor, Hindustan Times. This is to address. Now salutation, respected sir. Okay, respected sir or madam, whatever. Respected sir or madam, you can write here. And body of the letter, like body of the letter, what the content on which topic which you are writing the letter to the editor, or like, and you mention 2 or 3 lines through the esteemed columns of your newspaper. Okay, this is the content, you have to cover this content. Okay, now sixth one is subscription. In subscription, what you write, you are faithfully or your affectionately. This is the things you have to mention in this. Okay, so letters, earlier we have discussed two types of letters are there. First one is formal letter, second one is informal letters. For formal informal letters we have covered already, and this is format of formal letter. The letters we are writing to official, editor, application to the principal, etc. And format is from address like this, date, to address, salutation, body, and subscription. Okay, so as earlier I mentioned, at the end of this video I'll give some assignment to you students. I hope you wrote down these points, and these points are very important while writing the letters. Okay, so now I'll give one small assignment to write to all on behalf of this formal letter. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to write a, I'll leave one question to you. Write down or listen carefully. Write a letter to, write a letter to, write a letter to the editor, Hindustan Times. Write a letter to editor of Hindustan Times regarding the poor conditions of roads and streets in your locality. Okay, so I hope you understand which type question is this. Guess. This is from formal letter, and you have to follow the whole format which we have read and discussed earlier. Thank you students. Stay at home, keep safe, keep yourself safe, and share this video to your friends, your classmates, and read at home. And if you are having any doubts when school reopens, please ask me or contact me. Okay, thank you students. Thank you very much.